Yeah, let's now learn about colloquial expression in Bahasa Indonesia using base word MUKA. MUKA means face. Alright, so these expressions are mostly used in Bahasa Indonesia or by Indonesian native speaker to express about feelings or about the condition. Yeah. So let's start from muka merah padam. Okay. Muka. This phrase muka merah padam, if I translate literally, means a very red face. A very red face means angry. The feeling is angry. So if you say mukanya merah padam means that she is very angry. Okay. Yeah, the second is muka pucat. If you say mukanya pucat, means her face is pale, means that she is in sickness or in illnesses. Yeah, sick. Muka pucat means pale. Okay, pale's face. Okay, and then the third is muka muram. Muka muram means that mukamu muram, that's I mean that you are very sad. Yeah, mukamu tampak muram, your face looks so gloomy, means that you are sad. Okay, so that's number 3. Number 4, muka bersinar. Muka bersinar, if I translate literally, a shiny face. A shiny face means that you are happy. Mukamu bersinar banget, that you look so happy. Yeah. Okay. The next is muka sumringah. Muka sumringah. It's a bit similar with muka bersinar, but sumringah means like a smiley person, happy person or friendly person. That's muka sumringah. Okay. And then muka datar and muka dingin. These two phrases are referring to unfriendly person. If you say mukanya dingin banget, that it means that she is an unfriendly person or he is an friendly person. Okay, so let's practice from the beginning. Muka merah padam means that angry. Muka pucat, sick. Muka muram, sad or gloomy. Muka bersinar, happy or glad. Okay. Muka sumringah means happy person or friendly person. Muka datar and muka dingin means unfriendly person. Okay, I do hope this colloquial expression will be helpful for you to add your vocabulary and to understand when a native speaker of Indonesian language use these phrases. So I'm Gunawan Tamun Saribu. I thank you so much for viewing my video. Please do subscribe, like and comment on my videos. Thank you so much and goodbye.